A dehumidifier can effectively remove moisture to protect walls, curtains, furniture, and appliances from mold and mildew, and is an ideal addition for rooms such as basements, crawl spaces, dens, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Purchasing the right dehumidifier for your home leaves you with a lot of options to choose from. That's why here at HoneywellStore.com, we provide you with a dehumidifier perfect for your specific needs, varying from room size, feature set, and more. All portable dehumidifiers we offer include a smart digital humidistat control, are Energy Star rated, are able to be set up within minutes with no installation required, have low maintenance, and quiet operation. Here is a list of our best dehumidifiers for you to choose from. Starting off this list is the TP series, which is one of our newest smart models with a sleek design and tons of features. The TP30, TP50, and TP70WK are perfect for room sizes as small as 2,000 square feet and as large as 4,000 square feet. The smallest model can remove up to 30 pints per 24 hours, while the larger TP70 can remove up to 70 pints every 24 hours. On the top of the unit, you'll find the controls to the unit, including 2 fan speeds, 24-hour energy-saving timer, automatic defrost control, and automatic restart mode with sleep mode. The front of the unit has a Mirage display that you can see at a glance, and the smart digital humidistat control automatically activates based on preset room conditions. The washable dust filter keeps the unit working at full capacity by keeping dust out of the unit, and the water tank is equipped with patent-pending splash guards to avoid messy spills. Up next, we'll be taking a look at the TP series with Wi-Fi connectivity and Alexa control. The TP30, TP50, and TP70AW offer the same unit sizes as the non-Wi-Fi enabled versions, being perfect for rooms as small as 2,000 square feet and as large as 4,000 square feet. All the same features are still present, but with the Wi-Fi connectivity, you can now use the Honeywell Smart Dehumidifier application on your iOS or Android phone or tablet. You can set up multiple Honeywell dehumidifiers and control them all with one app, connect multiple users and devices, automatically operate based on live outdoor humidity conditions, and even operate your dehumidifier hands-free by connecting to your Amazon Alexa. Next on our list, we'll be taking a look at the classic design of the DH series. The DH45 and DH70WKN are perfect for room sizes as small as 2,500 square feet and as large as 4,000 square feet, with the DH45 removing up to 45 pints every 24 hours, and the DH70 able to remove up to 70 pints every 24 hours. On the top of the unit, you'll find the controls, mode select, 2 fan speeds, and automatic shut-off timer. The washable dust filter helps catch unwanted dust particles from the air, extending long-term efficiency of the unit. The low-temperature operation allows this unit to dehumidify even in rooms as chilly as 41 degrees Fahrenheit. And finally, on our list is the DH series with an included pump. The DH45P and DH70P offer the same unit sizes as the non-drainage pump models, making them perfect for rooms as small as 2,500 square feet and as large as 4,000 square feet. All the same features are still present, but with the addition of the drain pump. The built-in drain pump allows water condensation to be drained vertically or horizontally up to 15 feet away into a sink or out a window, while the continuous drain option increases flexibility by allowing for longer unattended operation. All Honeywell portable dehumidifiers in this video come with a 5-year warranty. For more information or to purchase any of the dehumidifiers from this list, visit www.honeywellstore.com.